Gentlemen of the press, I say good afternoon to you all. Today at the council meeting, 4 papers were presented by the Federal Ministry of Power with regards to the reform and the development of the transformation of the power sector. And the 4 papers were duly approved. The first paper was a request to the council to approve the resumption and continuation of disbursement of compensation for right-of-way for the Lagos-Ogun Industrial Hub Transmission Project. The request submitted was approval for the sum of 13 billion naira. The Lagos-Ogun Industrial Hub Transmission Project is being funded through a $238 million development loan from Japanese International Cooperation Agency, JICA. And this project, when completed, will not only improve capacity and credibility of power supply along the industrial axis of Lagos-Ogun, it will also be good news for industrial development and ensure that industries around that axis enjoy uninterrupted supply that will enable us to achieve the renewed hope agenda of use what we produce and produce what we use by improving local production that will substitute imports. This should be good news for the industrial sector. And the other 3 papers were actually in respect of approval for procurement of various grades of power transformers to replace the weak and dilapidated ones across the national grid. If this is done, it will not only enhance power supply, but to also relieve overloaded power transformers that is operating across the national grid. And this will also enable us to cope with the increased wheeling capacity of the national grid. The national grid is over 50 years old, and we know that a lot of the power transformers, the cables, they are old, they are weak, so there is the necessity for us to regularly maintain the grid and replace all these old and dilapidated infrastructure for us to have a more stable and effective national grid. The total approvals for these transformers for procurement is $34 million plus an additional 5.2 billion naira. And the number of transformers actually total 14 in number, which includes a 2-number 150 MVA, 330, 132, 33 kV power transformers, and a 5-number 100 MVA, 132, 33 kV power transformers, then 5 numbers 60 MVA, 132, 33 kV power transformers, and lastly, 2 numbers of 30 MVA, 132, 33 kV power transformers. Upon procurement of this will actually make the grid to be more efficient, more effective, and will improve power supply to all our households, to offices, to small businesses, and to industries. So I believe this is actually good news for Nigerians. Thank you very much.